How can you schedule a milestone inspection with Florida Engineering? It's easy. We need a little bit of information from you. We need the name of your condominium, the address, the general size of the property, the number of buildings, stories, units of your condo. Once we have that information, we will provide you with a quote. Once your HOA, once your condo association is ready to move forward, you'd let us know. After Florida Engineering completes the milestone inspection, it usually takes us a couple weeks to put the reports together. Our team will put those reports together, can send it to the building department for you. We will send it to you and your property manager as well. A lot of our customers like to have these milestone inspection reports on hand to send to your residents, to have in case they are selling a condo, a property there on the location. But it's always good to have, so our team will make sure that you have your report in hand in case you need it.